Help Lisa bring the dinosaur egg back to Lingo Park. Tap the screen. Here we go. Tap here to move. Nice driving. All clear ahead. Which fossil is the smallest? Way to go!
Yeah!
Yoo-hoo! Stars! Look at this! Which bone is shorter? Good job!
Yeah!
Collect all the stars. The wheels on the car go round and round, round and round, round and round. Tap on the smallest footprint. Very good. Bonus time. Oh, wow! What a beautiful place! Which stick is shorter? This is the way.
Yeah!
Start time. Are you enjoying the ride? Which fossil is the biggest? Good job! Collect those stars! We made it! Wow, look at how far you've come!